Welcome to Bharat Traders, your trusted authorized distributor for premium electro cable ties. Today, we are showcasing the highly versatile ET300 by 3.6mm series. Whether you are color coding complex wiring or organizing your workspace, we have the exact match for your project. Starting with our vibrant red ties, perfect for clear identification. Next, we have the high visibility yellow. Like all our standard ties, these easily handle operating temperatures from -10 to +85 degrees Celsius. Our blue electro ties are a massive favorite for data centers and telecommunication setups, keeping your network cables neatly routed. And our green ties round out the primary color coding lineup, giving you complete flexibility for circuit or phase identification. For general purpose and industrial fastening, our classic black nylon ties deliver the secure, everyday performance professionals rely on. We also carry ample stock of the essential natural white ties, an absolute staple for clean, indoor electrical installations. Finally, for your most demanding outdoor applications, we supply Elettro's specially formulated UV-resistant black ties. Built to withstand prolonged sunlight and harsh weather. Contact us today to secure your inventory.